Station Manager Lynsey working for Mid and West Wales Fire and Rescue Service. I'm Station Commander for 3 stations in Western Division, so it's Carmarthenshire and Pembrokeshire. Managing Carmarthen, Llandyssil and Llandeilo stations at the moment. I work alongside my station liaison officer and just responsible for the day-to-day running of those stations, in particular sort of training, recruitment, day-to-day tasks, amongst many other things. I'd say get out there, go and have a chat. If you're not sure, keep your options open. See if there's any possibility of any work experience for you somewhere. Just explore exactly what the job involves. Look at sort of the hours required, the pay and everything, and just weigh up what suits you best as an individual. Highly motivated individuals that we can just come in and adapt, team player that works with a highly skilled team. They're willing to learn new skills and open to, say, the fire service is sort of not just putting out fires. We've got operational staff, we've got support staff, so multi-skilled individuals, I suppose, but also we'll work with your strengths and help develop other areas that perhaps need it. Ultimately, it's not the sort of male-dominated role that you've historically know it as. There's lots of females, a very diverse sort of service now. We've got varied roles within the service. We've got the operational, sit out on the front line with the appliances, tending a variety of incidents. We've got community safety, business fire safety, so working out in our communities, working with our businesses. We got careers with mechanics, driving instructors, ICT individuals, technicians. So the job is absolutely varied. There's something for everyone. There's many benefits of working in Carmarthenshire. Carmarthenshire is very diverse. There's lots of opportunities for individuals out there, not just in the fire service, but certainly in other sectors. So I'd advise anyone, come down, have a look and see what we've got to offer.